Let's open up a little present here and consume it. Okay, there we go. Now let's just get it out. Get this bad boy out. Okay, got this. Okay, I guess we'll just have to eat it from the box. Can't wait. Best cake in the entire universe. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Right now we are in a sushi train. Alright, so here you have your little train going past you. You have your basic utensils. Here you put the soy sauce. And different kinds of soy sauces here. And up here you have different, let's say tea right here. And here you have these weird things that which I never liked. Some spices or whatever. Alright. Now what you do, pick something that you like. I like. Now we're gonna try this. Just take it. And try it.